Powering on.
Hi guys, this is LevelUK and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's episode, I am very delighted to show you guys the product that I just received, and I'm so excited to share with you this machine. This is the Kangen K8. Is an alkaline ionizer and water filtration machine. This will surely and definitely help us to improve our health, and I just can't wait to show you guys what we've got. So this is the box it comes with. We just received it today via DHL. So if you will notice, on the outside the box you'll see a paper sealed with a clear plastic, so it looks like my address, the receipt. I'll get rid of that now. Going to the star of this vlog definitely is this machine that I just received. So I will be unboxing it and let's see what we have inside. So let's just remove this flower vase here because it's taking up so much space. Alright, this is the LevelUK K8 Kangen water machine. It says here in the box, change your water, change your life. Yeah, and I really believe that. Alright. So we've got huge papers here, so let's see. Let's check it one by one. So first paper, we've got the quick guide. I will tell you on how to install the diverter and setting up your unit. It looks very straightforward. And we've got this, oh, it looks like a manual. Yeah, so this is the operation manual book. Comes with different languages. And it's also very straightforward with all this graphics that's very easily to understand. Yeah, so that's your operation manual. And oh, what's this? Alright, so this is Enagic pH color chart. So it says acidic, neutral, and alkaline. So this is basically to check the pH of your water. Of course, the invoice or the receipt of my purchase. Next page is the warranty paper. So I've got all this explanations here about the warranty of this product, I mean. So next is a booklet of all the benefits of this machine can give you. This machine produces 8 types of different water. Everything is explained here. And what's this one now? So it says revolutionize your lifestyle with water. Change your water, change your life. So it gives you all this explanation as well. Yeah. Alright. So it looks like we've got loads of accessories inside the box. So we'll start with this test paper. So it's a pH test strip. That's how it looks like. And we've got a small box here. Oops. It looks like they're all faucet accessories. You've got here a little, oh, it looks like a camera. Yeah, I think it's one of the attachments. And definitely we've got the power cable to plug in the machine. We've got here a liquid in a white bottle. So this is your electrolysis enhancer. It says here for producing strong acidic water. And this is your tubings, and it's labeled with strong acidic. Okay. Next is, oh, it looks like a liquid again. What's written in this small bottle is pH test liquid. So I think this is the solution that we use to check the pH. I'm not really sure, but it comes with a small clear glass, and it comes with a pH chart as your guide. All Alright, and another accessory. So I think these are different attachments for your faucet. Am I right? So these are the mounting accessories. So these are different sizes, different types, mounting accessories for your faucet. So this is your instructional manual as well. It's a DVD form. So if you're not fond of reading the booklet, you can use this instructional manual in DVD. So this small box comes with 3 different items. So first is 6 sachets of cleaning powder. So this is your cleaning tank. And a round plastic thing. Alright, so I've got here the machine now. It's quite heavy. I think approximately it's 5 kilos, I reckon. We ordered this K8 Kangen machine. Is a Japanese product manufactured by Enagic company, and this is the latest model that they have in the market. So we've received the white color. It's very stylish, very elegant. This is the Enagic's most powerful water filtration machine, featuring 8 platinum coated titanium plates that really works in ionizing your water. So the panel is a touch screen, so it's very straightforward to use. It will guide you through the process of how to use it. K8 Kangen machine is extremely user-friendly and of course environmentally friendly machine. It's a magnificent machine that everyone should have. I was very impressed with this, and this is one of our best investment, not just financially but definitely for our health. But that's it for now, guys. I'll be showing you next time on how to set up this machine, how to use it, how to properly clean it, all those things we will be showing to you in the next vlog. Okay, so thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.